Hello and welcome to this GetSign tutorial video. In this video, we're going to cover how you can use GetSign within Monday.com Subitems. To get started, open a subitem and click on Add View. Select Explore More Views, then choose GetSign and add it. Once added, GetSign will automatically appear for all other subitems on the board, so you only need to do this once. Once GetSign loads, you'll see multiple sections. These work identically whether you're inside a regular Monday.com item or a subitem. Now let's upload a template. For this tutorial, I'll be using a DOCX file. Click Upload Template, select your file from your computer and upload it. It will open in a new browser tab. Give it a moment to load. Once the template is loaded, click the Edit Template button to open the GetSign DOCX editor. Here, you can map board fields directly into your document. For example, I'll map the item name and the valid until date field. Once you've made your mappings, go ahead and save the template. After saving, you'll be taken to the PDF editor, where you can drag and drop signature fields onto the document. I'll add a signature field and assign it to the recipient's email address. I'll also add a name field and a date picker, both assigned to the recipient. I'll repeat the same for the second signer. Now let's configure the automation settings. Scroll to the Generate section and enable it. Select the status value that will trigger document generation. Then choose the File column where the generated PDF will be saved. You can also give your document a custom name. Back to the Sign section, enable Signature Collection, select the status value that will trigger sending, and choose the File column where the signed document will be saved. Save your settings. Now let's generate the document. Click on the Generate button or set your status to trigger the automation. You'll see the automation run, and the generated file will appear in the File column. Once generated, click Send Now to dispatch the document to all signers. The status will update automatically to reflect that the document has been sent. To track progress, navigate to the Sign tab and click Track. You'll be able to see exactly who has received, viewed, and signed the document. For this demo, I'll sign as both recipients. The first signer clicks Review and Sign, continues to sign, adds their signature and date, then clicks Finish. Once the first signer is done, the Tracking tab updates to show one signer complete. The second signer follows the same steps. Now the document is fully signed. The final signed document is available to download directly from the Track tab. That's the complete workflow for using GetSign inside Monday.com subitems. Give this a try, and if you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team. Thanks for watching.